Volvo Trucks' IC, together with the iRoll functionality, can help minimize fuel consumption by automatically shutting off the engine when it's not needed. The intelligent software solution uses map-based data to predict and anticipate upcoming road conditions. As the truck approaches a downward slope, IC automatically activates iRoll and turns the engine off. This enables the truck to coast on its own momentum without consuming any fuel. The solution then predicts when the engine should be switched back on to maintain speed and momentum. This is another step in Volvo Trucks' continuous efforts to make its vehicles as fuel and energy efficient as possible.